Happy Halloween, my pretties. Welcome to Dionea Creates. In today's video, we are going to be weaving a little bit of storytelling along with our crafts. And we're going to be using this beautiful art piece that I got at Hobby Lobby. And we are going to be creating our story with the ephemera from the Bewitched Collection from Prima Marketing. Willow and Hayes, along with Evangeline from this collection that the Three Girls Tale created, they are going to be starring in this story. So let's just get started. So every year when the air turns crisp and the first leaves begin to fall, Evangeline makes her quiet journey back to the countryside. She's one of the autumn witches, the ones who coax the pumpkins to ripen and whisper a little warmth into the cooling winds. And there's always one special place she returns to, this old barn at the edge of the field. It's been standing for ages, through every season, and it's always held just a touch of magic. Long ago, it was where she and her coven sisters would gather under the harvest moon, sharing stories, laughter, and a spark or two of their autumn spells to keep the barn charmed. You can always tell Evangeline's arrived. Her little bat companions, they swoop in first, and they begin dotting the sky and circling the barn, making sure it's filled with cozy, familiar magic. And she always starts with the pumpkins. You'll see them scattered along the fence, each one glowing softly with her magic. She's even parked her broom nearby and placed a witch hat on the big pumpkin that's near the road. That's her little sign that she's home again. Now the pumpkins are ready to keep watch over the fields and add that perfect cozy glow to guide travelers home at dusk. Evangeline calls for Willow and Hayes, her gentle ghostly friends, to take their places near the barn doors. They're ready to welcome any kind of soul who happens to wander by. And high up in the center of the barn, she hangs her Elixir Emporium sign. This is a charm that wraps the barn in a soft veil of moonlight mist, so that only those with kind hearts will ever find their way here. And so when everything feels just right, Evangeline takes one last look around, smiles, and lifts off into the night. And as she flies away, the barn seems to glow just a little warmer, like it's happy to have her back. And they say, if you listen closely on a breezy October night, you might still hear her laughter drifting through the fields, a little reminder that some magic always lingers wherever she's been. And so you guys, here is our little fall piece with our enchanted story with Willow and Aunt Evangeline, and it's all ready for Halloween. So you guys, if you take a picture and you invite Evangeline or Willow and Hayes, or really anyone from the Bewitched Collection, I would love for you to post a picture in the comments or on the community tab, because I know that you will create something just as magical with this collection. So for now, we're going to close our crafting circle. Be sure to keep your scissors sharp, your candles lit, and your magic alive until we meet again.